Hi, my name is Ritika Kumari. I am a postgraduate management student from Human Resources at Vignana Jyoti Institute of Management, Hyderabad. I'll be completing this course in March this year. Right from beginning my schooling, I have done my schooling from the Tagore Academy, Jamshedpur. Then I moved to Bangalore to complete my BSc Biotechnology in the Oxford College of Science. Actually, I was very passionate about the managerial role, so I decided to pursue my career in management. So there my journey of self-actualization and self-realization started, and I came to know my real potential and strengths. So let me describe some of my strengths and some of my achievements actually right from beginning. During my school time, I used to participate many of the sports meet, and to name a few, I won many awards like in relay races, 100-meter races, shot put, tug of war, etc. I really a kind of feeling of helping people out, so I frequently donate blood. In my graduation, I have participated in many competitions like face painting, singing, then races, many sports and so on. Recently, I have presented my papers in many of the national conferences, including my college, where in one of that conference I got the Best Paper Student Award, and I always really feel proud of saying like, yes, I had done something great to on that research work. So here comes my real experience with the corporate world. So when I describe my that I'm talking about my SIP, summer internship program. My summer internship program is something which I really feel proud to describe, and I always have a kind of good feeling like, yes, I can do something in my career to the best. So my topic was the antecedent of the mentoring program in India, a study of Tata Steel. I am really thankful to my guide, Mrs. Sushmita Srivastava, who always guided us during those 2 months. To brief out something about mentoring, it is like kind of mentor and a mentee relationship. It is a dyadic process where mentor is actually, they are supposed to be and experienced, very rich in knowledge, and elder than their mentee. Mentee, I'll describe in a way like they are having a very passion towards working, but they lack something behind their experiences and their knowledge. So any kind of disturbances or any kind of problem if they have in company, so they can directly approach their mentor and they can ask whether to proceed or not. So this kind of thing actually is a core process in Tata Steel. And I was really very enthusiastic to learn how this mentoring process was being carried out in Tata Steel. So this was a brief description about my SIP. Then coming to the other opportunity I really got during my internship is the I conducted workshop on value clarification. Tata Steel wanted us to conduct a workshop on this value clarification for the lateral hires, because they wanted those values and beliefs to instill in them, because different companies have their own values and their own beliefs. So Tata Steel have their own values. They are free from forgery, corruption, etc. So this was really we are very passionate about learning those mentality and psychos of employees, like what they actually think about values and ethics. So this workshop actually gave us opportunity to think about that. I'm a kind of had a very good feeling at the end of my SIP, like I have really done well during these 2 months, and to the best. I was really well appreciated for my hard and smart work, as well as I got the recommendation from my guide in writing. This was all about my SIP and the first exposure to the corporate sector. To describe some few strengths of mine which I am really good at, and I would like to describe like I'm very keen about learning every aspects of HR, mainly HR domain, and I'm kind of very. I really take initiative in most of the events. I'm at the first place, I'm really give priority to the constructive criticism, because during these 2 years I have overcome many of my weaknesses due to this factor. Then I am very self-motivated and very hard to get discouraged. So this was all about myself, and at the end I would like to say, just don't go by me saying try me.